Hello, good morning students. How are you all? I hope all of you are good. So today once again we will start our topic data handling. Okay, and in the data handling already we have completed our all the concepts. What is data? How will you represent any data like graph by the graph? How many types of graphs are there like pictograph, bar graph, double bar graph, histogram. So already I have told you about all the things. Okay. So and we have started our exercise also. So two questions first and second we have completed. So today we will start our question number third. So what is question number third beta? Exercise 5.1 question number third. Exercise 5.1 question number third we will start. So what is question number third? So question number third is given beta, it is very big question, so I have written in the short form. Okay, so it is given simple weekly wages of 30 workers. Okay, the weekly wages in rupees of 30 workers in a factory are, it is given like 830, 835, 890, 810, 835, 836, 869, like that. Weekly basis, weekly earnings are given of 30 workers. After that question is given using tally marks make a frequency distribution table with intervals as 800 to 810, 810 to 820, like that up to so on. So using these tally marks, okay, using tally marks you have to make a frequency distribution table and you have to take the intervals. It is already given in the question. You have to use the interval like in the gap of 10, 800 to 810. You will start from 800 and first interval lie between 800 to 810, 810 to 820, and like that up to so on. So you can see in your data, okay, what is given, the weekly wages of 30 workers is given, okay, and the weekly wages it is given like 835, 836, 800, 800, 820, like that it is given. Some data is given, you can see in your question. Okay, so here first of all it is given, you will start the interval from 800 and you will go up to 10 difference. Okay, difference of 10 unit. So 800 to 810, like that, 810 to 820, like that up to so on. So on means you have to check the weekly wages, what is the greatest wages. Okay, you have to check what is the maximum wages, so you will go to the maximum wages. So maximum is given 890 something, it is given. Okay, 898, 890 something it is given, so you have to go to up to 900. So first of all in the frequency distribution table I have already told you, first you will use the first you will use the interval. Okay, you will write the intervals, after that you will write the tally marks, after that you will write the frequency. Okay, so here intervals are given, it is already given in the question. You will use the interval 800 to 810, after that 810 to 820, 820 to 830, 830. It means you will take with in 10 units difference. Okay, so after 800 it will be next will be 810, 810 to 820, 820 to 830, 830 to 840, 840 to 850. 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90, and 90 to 900, because the maximum basis is given 898 something it is given. Okay, so it will be lie between 890 to 900. Okay, so you will start from 800 to 810 and you will go to 890 to 900. Clear? After that you have to write the tally marks, how many numbers are coming in between 800 and 810. So beta, you can see in your data 3 numbers are coming. Okay, 810 is, now you will see beta, 810 is coming here also and here also. So which one you will use? This one and this one. It means 810, if any data is given 810, so it will come at the place of this and this one. Okay, so 810 you will start from here. Okay, it will be till 809. Okay, it means it will lie between 800 to 809, and 810 you will start from the second unit, second interval. Okay, so 810 will lie between this one. Okay, if 810 is given, so you will include in the second one interval. If 820 is given, so you will include in this one. 830 you will include in this one. Okay, because this is lower limit and this is upper limit. Okay, this one is lower limit, this one is upper limit, this one is lower limit, this one is upper limit. Okay, so this one lower limit will start. Okay, it means 810 will lie here. Okay, not here. It means first interval lie between 800 to 809, second 810 to 819, third one 820 to 829, 830 to 839, like that. Okay, so 810 you will not include here, you will include here. Okay, because in the lower limit you have to include the 810. So beta, you can see in between 800 to 810 3 numbers will lie, 3 bases will lie, and these are given, you can see in your book also. Okay, it is given 804, 808, and next one is given 806. Okay, 804, 808 and 806. Three numbers, three vases are lies between 800 to 810. How many? 804, 808 and 806. These three vases will lie between 800 to 810. And 10 you will not include here. You will include here only 800 to 809 vases. So here only three vases will lie. Okay. So telemarks, how will you write for 3? 1, 2, 3. Okay, for 2, I like that same. If you will check 810 to 820, it means 810 to 819 you will check. Okay, so 810 to 819 you can see in your data. Okay, how many total numbers are there? So only two numbers, two vases are there. So you will denote in telemarks by 2. Next one, 820 to 29, only one will lie. So you will denote by only I. Next, it will 9, 830 to 840. Okay, it means 830 to 839. How many number of vases are lying? So here total 9. So 9, how will you use in the telemarks? So 1, 2, 3, 4, crossing 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like that. Clear? So this one will be 9. 9, how will you use in the telemarks, beta? So simply first 4 line and 1 crossing. After that next 4 lines. So 5 plus 4 total will be 9. Next one is 5. So 5, how will you represent 5? So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 crossing. After that next 850 to 60, only one vases will lie. So you will denote by only one line. Next 3, 860 to 870, how many are lying? So 3 are lying. So 1, 2, 3 lines. Next one is 1 only. Next one is 1 only. Next one is 890 to 900. In between 890 to 900, how many vases lie? So 4. So 4, how will you represent beta 4 in the telemark? So 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, these are the total number of frequency. So you can represent this frequency by the telemarks, and first you can write the frequency. After that you can write the telemarks. Telemarks is the roughly representation of the vases and you can say frequency. Okay, so how many frequencies there here? 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, total 9, 5, 1, 3, 1, 1 and 4. Clear? And total number of workers should be equal to 30. Okay, total number of vases. So it will be only 30. Is it clear? So in this question number 3, only you have to make a frequency distribution table. Okay, some 30 weekly basis of 30 workers are given. So these are the 30 workers. Okay, these are the 30 workers. Frequency is given like 3, 2, 1, 9, 5. Okay, so weekly basis of 30 workers are given like 868, 804, 809, 800, something like it is given. You have to use the interval like 800 to 810, 810 to 20 up to so on. It means you have to start the interval 800 to 810 and you have to take all the intervals in the difference of 10 units. Okay, beta. So you will start from 800. So first will be 800 to 810, 810 to 820. So next will be 820 to 830, 830 to 840. After that maximum you will check in your vases what is the maximum number of vases. So it will be, you can say, it will be 890 something. Okay, so it means you have to go up to 890 to 900 last interval. Okay. So after that it is given in the question using telemarks you have to find out the frequency distribution table. So frequency, this is the frequency distribution table. How will you draw the frequency distribution table? First you will write the intervals, telemarks and frequency. So intervals, it is already given in the question. You have to write in this way 800 to 810, 810 to, it means you have to take the intervals in the 10 unit difference. So these are the intervals. After that you will write the telemarks. So telemarks means in between 800 to 810 how many workers are lying, how many vases of the workers are lying. So you can see in your data, you can see 804, 808 and 806. Only 3 vases are lying. So you can denote by 3 line in the telemark. 810 to 820, it means you have to check the data in between 810 to 819 because 820 you will include here, 810 you will include here, not here. It means here you will check up to 800 to 809 only. Clear? So here 3 workers, 3 ways, here 2, here 1, here how many? 830 to 840, 9, 840, in between 840 to 855, 850 to 861, 860 to 73, 70 to 81, 80 to 91, 890 to 900. How many vases are there? 4 workers wages. Okay. So after writing the telemarks, you can write the frequency, total number of telemarks. So 3 lines means 3 number of workers, 2, 1, here 5 plus 4, 9, 5, 1, 3, 1, 1 and 4, and total you will include total how many workers are there? 30. Okay, so this is your frequency distribution table. Is it clear? This is question number 3 beta. Question number 3. Now in your question number 4, it is given, draw a histogram for the frequency table made for the data in question number 3 and answer the following questions. So first of all, in question number 3, you have drawn already the frequency distribution table. Using this frequency distribution table, you have to draw the, using this frequency distribution table, you have to draw the histogram. Okay, because here intervals you are using. If you are using intervals or grouping data, it means you have to use the histogram. So in question, this is question number 3, only you have to draw the frequency distribution table. But in question number 4, what will you do? In question number 4 beta, you have to draw the histogram by using the frequency distribution table of question number 3. Is it clear? So histogram, how will you draw the histogram? So simply I am telling the histogram. First you will draw the vertical line, horizontal line. On the horizontal line you will start from 800. This is 810, 820, 830, 840, 850, 860, 870, 880, 890 and 900. So these are the weekly bases. These are the weekly bases. And in the intervals you will write how many number of frequencies there, how many workers are there. So here you can see beta 3, 2, 1, 5, 3, 4. It is given like that. Okay. So here what will you write? You will write this one in the gap of, for example, you can write in the gap of 5. Okay. So it is 0. Okay. Like that you can write 0. Okay. After that, for example, you are writing 2, 4 in the difference of 2. Okay. 4, 6, 8 and 10. Okay. If you are writing in the difference of 2 in the heights. Okay. So you will write in the difference of 2. You will start from 0 only. Okay. When the vertical and horizontal lines are meeting. So this one will be the horizon and you can see 0. Okay. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. I am taking in the difference of two numbers. Okay. After that, it is given first interval, first bar you will make in between 800 to 810. So 800 to 810. It means, okay, 800 we have not taken. So beta you will start 800 first. Okay. 800. After that 810, 820, 830, 840, 850, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 900, like that you will draw. Okay. So 800 to 810. What is the frequency of 800 to 810? 3. So 3 will lie between 2 and 4. Okay. This here. So you will make this one histogram like that. Now 810 to 820. 810 to 20 frequency is 2. So like that. 820 to 830 is 1. 830 to 840 is 9. Okay, 830 to 840 is 9. So 9 will lie between 8 and 10. Okay. After that 840 to 850, it is 5. So 5 is lying between 4 and 6. Okay. So like that you can use the histogram. Okay. Like that you will use the histogram. This is the histogram. Histogram. Here you will write the weekly wages, and here on the vertical line you will write the number of workers. Okay. Number of workers. Is it clear? And on the vertical line here you have to, in question number 4, what will you do in question number 4? You have to draw the histogram using the frequency distribution table of question number 3. Okay. You have to draw the histogram using the frequency distribution table of question number 3. So it is the histogram. First of all, you will draw two lines, a vertical and horizontal line. On horizontal line, you will draw all the intervals like 800 to 810, 810 to 820, 820 to 830. On the vertical line, you will draw the number of workers. So number of workers I am taking at the difference of 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, like that. Clear? So 800 to 810. How many total number of frequencies given? 3 workers. So 800 to 810, it will lie between 2 and 4. Will be middle will be 3. So 800 to 810, 3 workers. 810 to 820, how many workers? 2 workers. 8, 20 to 30, 1 worker. So like that you can use the histogram. Is it clear? After making the histogram, okay, after making the histogram, some questions are given. So first question, it is given, which group has the maximum number of workers? Okay, which group has the maximum number of workers? So which group has the maximum number of workers? So beta, these are the grouping, means these are the intervals. So maximum number of workers you can see in the frequency. What is the maximum number of workers? Here, okay, 9 workers. Okay, so it is in the grouping of 830 to 840. So first question, first part, what will be the answer? Grouping will be 830 to 840. Okay, so what is the, it is given which group has the maximum number of workers. So maximum number of workers are in between 830 to 819. So which grouping is has the maximum number of workers? So you can say in between 830 to 840. Clear? Next question, how many workers earn रुपए 850 and more? Okay, how many workers earn रुपए 850 and more? कितने ऐसे वर्कर्स हैं जो 850 और उससे ज्यादा रुपए कमाते हैं? मतलब 850 भी आपको इंक्लूड करना है और उससे ज्यादा वाले. तो बेटा 850 मैंने बताया था, इफ यू आर टेकिंग द इंटरवल 840 to 50, इट मींस इट विल लाई बिटवीन 840 to 849 ओनली. 850 you will start from here. Okay, so 850 and more than 850. So 850 यहाँ से start है, उससे आगे वाले सारे क्या होंगे? More than 850. So it means 850 to 860. What is the frequency? 1. So 1, 3, 1, 1 and 4. So what will be total? 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. So in the second part, more than equal to and more than 850. So it will be total 10 workers. How many workers? 10 workers. Is it clear? Weekly wages is more than 850 and equal to 850. So you will take all the frequency like between 850 to 860, 860 to 70, because this is starting from 850, but and these are more than 850. Okay, so all these are the frequency like between 850 and greater than 850. So it will be 1, 3, 1, 1 and 4. All the frequency you will take. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 4. Total how many workers will be, wages will be 850 and more than 850. So it will be 10 workers. Is it clear? Total 10 workers. And third part, how many workers earn less than rupees 850? So less than 850 means, less than 850. It means you will include till here 840 to 849, because here 840 to 850 is given. It means we are including 850 in the next interval. So up to here the workers will be less than 850. So you can include up 3 plus 2, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, okay, and this one lie between 850. So 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 9 20. So how many workers will be there less than 350? So 30 workers. Clear? 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 9 20, no 30. 20 workers. Is it clear? How many workers will be there? 20 workers are their wages is less than 850. Less than 850 means till here the frequency is given 850. Okay, so till here means 1 2 3 4 5. First 5 frequency you will include. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 9 15, 15 plus 5, total will be 20 workers. So how many workers have less than 850 salary or wages is given? So 20 workers. How many workers have more than 850 or equal to 850 wages? So it is 10 workers. And what is the maximum number of workers? How many? What is given in first question? Yes, which group has the maximum number of workers? So maximum number of workers has, you can see in the frequency, maximum number of workers are 9, and 9 is in the group between 830 to 840. So it is the grouping in between 830 to 840. Is it clear? So this is question number 3rd. Now, so 3rd and 4th. Okay, 3rd only you have to draw the frequency distribution table. In question number 4 you have to draw the histogram, and now we will start the question number 5. Question number 5. Clear? So what is question number 5 beta? Question number 5 is the number of hours for which students of particular class watched television during holidays is shown through the given graph. Answer the following. So graph is already given in the question, you can see. Okay, all of you open your book and you can see graph is already given, this one graph. Okay, and this is histogram because there is no gap between bars. So this histogram is already given in the questions, only you have to find out the answers of the questions. So first one, for how many hours did the maximum number of students watched TV? So maximum number of students watched TV. So these are the number of students. Okay, these are the number of students. So in the graph, in the histogram, you can see maximum bar is 32 students. Okay, so 30 students, maximum number of students are watching TV are 32, and 32 is for how many hours did the maximum number. You have to find out the hours. So 32 is lying between 4 and 5. Okay, 4 to 5 hours. So you will write question number 5, first part. Total maximum number of students are, maximum number of students watching TV are 32, and 32 students are watching TV. How many hours? 4 to 5 hours. How many hours there? Maximum number of students are watching TV. How many hours maximum number of students are watching TV? So 4 to 5 hours. Is it clear? What is given? 4 to 5 hours. Now second part. Second part. How many students watch TV for less than 4 hours? Okay, less than 4 hours. So you can see in your histogram, less than 4 hours means beta you will take till 4. Till 4 hours means 3 to 4. It means 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. So you can write students watched TV less than 4 hours. Total number of students. Total number of students watched TV less than 2 hours, less than 4 hours, sorry, less than 4 hours. How many students are there? So you will include all the students which are who are watching TV 1 to 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours, and 3 to 4 hours, because you have to find out less than 4 hours. In less than 4 hours, all the students will include. So 1 to 2, how many students are there? 4 students, plus 2 to 3, 8 students, and plus 3 to 4, how many students are there? 22. So 4 plus 8, 12, plus 22. So it will be 34. How many students are there? 34 students. Clear? Now third part. Third part. How many students spend more than 5 hours in watching TV? Okay. How many students spend more than 5 hours in watching TV? So more than 5 hours. So more than 5 hours means beta 5 to 6 and 6 to 7, because total hours are given up to 7. Okay. So total more than 5 will be 5 to 6 and 6 to 7. So more than 5 hours. More than 5 hours you will write. A total number of students will be more than 5 hours. 5 to 6 is 8 and 6 to 7 is 6. So 8 plus 6, total 14 students. Okay, total 14, 8 plus 6. Because if more than 5 hours students are watching TV, it means more than 5 hours will be 8 plus 6. 5 to 6 and 6 to 7. So 8 plus 6, total will be 14 students. Okay, so in question number 5th, you have to find out the answers of the following questions. Graph is already given, histogram is already given in the question. Only you have to find out the answers of the questions. Okay, and all the questions are very simple. Only you have to go to the data and find out the answers. Okay, in question number 3rd, first only you have to find out the frequency distribution table. In question number 4, you have to use the frequency distribution table of question number 3rd. You have to use the histogram. You have to find out the histogram, draw the histogram, and after that you have to give the answers of the question. In question number 5, histogram is already given. Only you have to find out the answers of the questions. Okay, so this is all about today. With this question we have completed our first exercise. You have to complete it in your fair notebook, and if you have any doubt, please join the Zoom class for doubt shooting. Thank you so much, students.